What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Megan and I have a vending machine business. I'm based in the UK, Manchester specifically. So in this video today, I'm going to do 5 ways you can improve your vending machine business in 2024. And if you haven't already started your vending machine business, then these are just 5 little things that you can keep in mind for when you do actually start. So yeah, if you want to stay to the end, these are really good tips that I wish I knew when I first started. So yes, some of them are a lot easier to think of than others, but yeah, just stick around, get a pen and paper and just make some notes. So tip number 1 is very easy, very simple, but add card readers to your vending machine. So I did my financial breakdown for the year, and literally like 5% of my sales were in cash. So if I didn't have card readers on my machines, I would have missed out on so much money. So if you can afford to put card readers on your machines, and if your machines actually do take card readers, put card readers on. Like, you're going to be missing out so much if not. So yeah, put card readers on your vending machines. And you can also track your inventory count on the card machine app. So if you have Nayax card readers, you can track your stock levels, so you know when to actually go to the vending machine. So you don't have to just guess what to take. You actually know what to take and when to go. So great idea. Get your card readers on those vending machines, guys. Tip number 2, which kind of sounds obvious, but it has multiple benefits. Tip number 2 is don't overstock your vending machines. And you'll be thinking, why wouldn't I overstock my vending machines? Well, you don't want to overstock your vending machines because number 1, you save money. Because I said this in a previous video, if you fill up a row with 13 Snickers, but you only sell like 6 Snickers a week, well, why would you want to fill up with 13 when you could put another 7 in another vending machine? And then you're just going to waste money going and buying more Snickers for another vending machine when you could have just took the Snickers from the other vending machine that you don't normally sell and put them in another vending machine. Like, you're just wasting money. Like, you're just overstocking your vending machine when you know you're not going to sell it because you have the data from the card readers. You have the data from the card readers telling you that you don't normally sell that many anyway in a week. So don't overstock your vending machines. Be like really, really strategic with how much you're spending in a month, because then you can save and invest and save and invest. So you want to make sure your spending isn't crazy. So yeah, don't overstock your vending machines. Make sure you're doing some sales analysis each week, each month, so you know how much you are actually selling, so you don't overstock, and then you can just use the other stock and put it into your other vending machines. Tip number 2. Tip number 3, one of the most important tips I can possibly give you, is build relationships. And I mean build relationships with suppliers, delivery drivers, customers. Main one is your customers. Another main one is your managers at the locations. Another main one is your friends, because no doubt if you want to go on holiday, or your family, if you want to go on holiday and you need someone to take over that business, your friends and your family are going to be the ones that are going to take over your business while you're on holiday. So make sure you build them relationships, especially with suppliers. They're going to be the ones that give you the best locations, the best vending machines, and they're going to introduce you to people as well, which is always something that is really good. So yeah, this past year I've built my relationships up a lot, and my growth of my business is just relationships, business. It's just shown. So yeah, build your relationships and keep them positive. If you need to cut someone off, don't be scared to cut people off. But yeah, and talk to your customers when you're at the site. Don't be headphones in, don't Don't put your AirPods in and blank everybody out. Speak to your customers, ask them how their day is. You know, you wanna interact with people, and yeah, it's like you want them to buy from you, so why wouldn't you want to give them the best possible experience ever? So yeah, be sociable. Don't be an introvert. As much as we all are introverts, be sociable. Have another income. This business at the start, unless you've got 6,892 machines, good luck. Yeah, it's going to be difficult to provide for yourself as a full-time income at the beginning. I'm still not doing it, but you'll get there one day. You will. So get another income going, get another side income coming in, and then use them to invest into your business. Yeah, just keep investing in yourself, in your business. Still have fun on the side, you know, socialize and all that, but make sure you're toning it down and your head's in the game. You know, you don't want to be too like, oh, I've got business now, I can go and have fun. No, head straight, focused, line, focused, tunnel vision. Side income. And if you want to have a side income on the side income to go and have fun, go do that. But there's no such thing as a side hustle. You still have to, you know, taxman still needs to know about that. So yeah, but I ain't going to talk about that. Go and speak to your accountant. Anyway, tip number 5. Last tip is keep on track of your finances. And by that, I mean, make sure you know how much your how much profit you're making. So you don't want to be, I don't know, spending £1.10 on a bottle and only selling it for £1.30. That would be the absolute worst thing you're possibly doing. And being like, oh, but I'm still making a profit. No, you want to be working out what percentage profit you're making, because at the end of the day, you've still got to be paying for your card readers each month. You still got to be paying for that the little commission that NIACs get, and then you've got, I don't know, you might pay commission on site. I don't offer commission on site, but that, and then you've got to pay diesel. You got to pay for your van if you pay for your van each month. I have to pay for my van each month. I have to pay for my unit each month. So yeah, it ain't all sunshine and rainbows when you've got all them expenses going out as well. But so yeah, you need to work out what your, why do I keep saying discount? What your percentage profit is, not just your profit, your percentage profit. Because if it isn't anywhere between 50 and above, you need to have a long chat with yourself. 50? Did I mean 50? I know what I mean, but I don't know how I'm saying it. Basically, if you're not spending 80p on a bottle and selling it for 160, if you're not doubling what you've bought something for, then you need to chat. That's a chat that you need to have with yourself. That's what I'm saying. Is that not 50%? That's 50%, right? For someone that did very extremely well in maths, this is a very harsh conversation that I need to be having with myself right now. Anyway, that's 50%, right? That's 50% profit. Wow. This is painful. Okay, we'll blame it on the light shining at me and the headache that's going on. So after a very long think to myself, watching that back, I realised I was very wrong with the percentages. So my bad. It was a long day at work. My bad. Anyway, so yeah, that, and you need to get an accountant. Get an accountant. Great. Get an accountant. Just throw them all your receipts at the end of the tax year. Make sure they're neat though. Give them a nice spreadsheet. Throw it at them at the end of the tax year. They'll sort everything. It's great. So yeah, that's all my 5 tips I can give you at the minute. If you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. I normally do days in the life, so it's just me pissing about at the vending machines. And yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this little sit down segment thing. That was just little 5 tips that I can give you to help you in 2024. I'll leave my Instagram here and my TikTok here. I am going to be doing some consultation calls where you can phone me up and ask me some advice and stuff for like a half an hour. They won't be free though, because my time isn't free, unfortunately. So I don't know, I haven't worked out like a payment system yet, so we'll figure something out. But yeah, that's going to be a thing through Instagram. I don't know if I just said that, but it will be through Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and follow me on TikTok. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I do have a giveaway going on at the minute because I've just hit 500 subscribers. So people that are active, and you have to screenshot that you subscribe and bloody DM it to me on Instagram and let me know you subscribed, and I will figure out a winner soon. So yeah. But if you have liked this video, give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Cue the outro because I've got to say it. Peace.
10 toes down.